So the South West Investment Fund is a 200 million pot of money, which is split into funds that will invest in equity, provide loans and operate across the South West. So the South West is a large geography and it's got a very diverse mix of businesses. What we've tried to do is set up these funds to be as flexible as possible. So really anyone with ambition to grow should be looking to the South West Investment Fund to see if there's funding available.
The South West Investment Fund is the first of our regional funds that's been launched across the UK and the developed nations. It's a £200 million fund and it's meant to support emerging startup businesses and growing businesses, small and medium-sized enterprises across the Southwest. There's lots going on already across the Southwest, so it's very important to tap into the ecosystem of advisors, intermediaries, businesses, etc., that all are already operating in the Southwest for us to be effective with our funds.
So SWIF Finance is delivering the small debt funds as part of the Southwest Investment Fund, and that means we're providing loans of 25,000 up to 100,000, very much targeting smaller, perhaps earlier stage aspirational businesses that have the ability to grow and create prosperity in the region. We'll be very much looking to invest in businesses that have the potential to grow and have a positive impact on the local economy and enabling them to grow in the longer term.
So the South West Investment Fund is hugely important. Our aim is to make sure this fund is deployed in the best way that we possibly can. We know through the other funds that FW Capital run that the economic impact of these types of funds is massive. That's our mission, is to get this fund out to the right businesses and really help these businesses achieve the ambitions where they may just not know the route through otherwise.
I think the South West Investment Fund is going to be incredibly important to companies in the area that are looking for growth. Relationship management is really core to what we do. We have people on the ground that are going to develop relationships with the companies and connect them with the networks locally and really signpost them to help them grow.
I think businesses looking for funding need to have a good product, a good brand, a good management team, a route to market. They can be early stage, we will look at startups, but they've got to be a startup which is able to prove its traction really quickly. My main message to companies would be to come and speak to the FSE group. The sooner you get to speak to us, the better the relationship is.
So Maven is a generalist fund manager and we have experience of making investments across a wide range of different industry sectors. The South West Investment Fund matters because it will enable greater access to finance for a wider diversity of businesses at different stages across the region, breaking down barriers and helping level up the playing field for businesses in the South West.